Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, can I ask you a strange question?
Of course. You usually ask strange questions.
That's true. Okay, here's my question.
I'm ready.
When was the last time you felt really happy?
Wow. That's actually a good question.
Thank you. I have good questions sometimes.
Sometimes.
Hey,
I'm kidding.
good. So, what is your answer?
Honestly, I felt really happy last weekend.
Really? What happened?
Nothing special.
Nothing special?
Yeah, that's the funny part.
Now I'm curious.
I stayed home, I had good food, I watched a movie, and I took a long nap.
That's it?
That's it.
And that made you happy?
Very happy.
That's interesting.
When I was younger, I thought happiness had to be something big.
Like what?
A new phone, a new car, a lot of money, things like that.
And now?
Now I think happiness is usually simple.
That makes sense.
What about you? What makes you happy?
For me, it's spending time with people I care about.
Really?
Yeah, a good conversation with a friend, dinner with family, a quiet weekend. Those things make me happy.
I like that answer.
Thank you.
You know what's funny?
What?
If someone asked me this question 10 years ago, I would have given a completely different answer.
Me too.
I think people change,
Definitely.
and maybe happiness changes too.
That's interesting. I've never thought about it that way.
When I was a child, happiness was very simple.
How simple?
Ice cream.
That's a great answer.
Seriously, give me ice cream and I was the happiest kid in the world.
What flavor?
Chocolate. Always chocolate.
Of course.
What about you? What made you happy when you were a child?
Playing outside with my friends.
Really?
Yeah, we didn't need much. Just a few friends and some free time.
I miss those days.
Me too. Life felt simpler.
That's true.
Do you think people are happier now or in the past?
That's a difficult question.
I know.
I think we have more things now, but I'm not sure we have more happiness.
Wow, that's deep.
Sorry. I got serious for a moment.
It's okay. You're allowed one serious thought per episode.
Only one?
Maybe two.
Thank you. You're very generous.
I know.
So, today's topic is happiness.
A topic everyone can relate to.
Because everyone wants to be happy.
Exactly. And happiness can mean different things to different people.
That's what makes this conversation interesting.
I agree.
And honestly, I'm excited to talk about it.
Me too. Dave, do you know something funny?
What is it?
Sometimes people spend their whole life looking for happiness.
That's true.
But sometimes happiness is right in front of them.
I completely agree. Sometimes we don't notice the good things we already have.
Exactly. Has that ever happened to you?
Many times. Actually, I remember a funny story from work.
Oh, really? Tell me.
A few years ago, I was very busy. I worked a lot. I was always thinking about the future.
That sounds stressful.
It was. I kept telling myself, I'll be happy when I have more money.
A lot of people think that way.
Yeah, including me. But one day, something small happened.
What happened?
I came home after a long day. I was tired. Very tired.
I know that feeling.
My family was sitting together. They were eating dinner, talking, laughing. Nothing special.
That sounds nice.
And suddenly, I realized something.
What?
I was already happy. I just didn't notice it.
Wow, that's a beautiful story.
The funny part is, I spent years looking for happiness, but it was already sitting at my dinner table.
That's funny and a little sad.
I know. Sometimes we make life more complicated than it needs to be.
I think you're right.
What about you? Did you ever have a moment like that?
Actually, yes. I remember one weekend.
What happened?
I had no plans, no travel, no shopping, nothing exciting.
That sounds like my dream weekend.
I knew you would say that.
Of course. Continue.
I stayed home, I made some food, I watched an old movie, and I called one of my friends.
That sounds relaxing.
It was. After the call, I felt really happy.
Because of the movie?
No, because of the conversation.
Really?
Yeah. We laughed about old memories, school days, funny mistakes, embarrassing moments.
Those conversations are special.
Exactly. And they don't cost any money.
The best things often don't.
That's true.
Speaking of embarrassing moments, I have one.
Oh no, this should be good.
When I was in school, I thought I was very smart.
Thought?
Hey, be nice.
Sorry, go ahead.
One day, I answered a question in class. I felt very confident, very proud.
And?
I gave the wrong answer in front of everyone.
Oh no.
The whole class laughed. Even the teacher smiled.
That's terrible.
At the time, yes, but now it's one of my favorite memories.
Really? Why?
Because it's funny now, and it reminds me that nobody is perfect.
That's a good lesson.
Exactly. Sometimes happiness comes from learning to laugh at yourself.
I like that.
Do you think happy people laugh more?
Maybe, but I also think people who laugh more become happier.
That's interesting.
When I spend time with friends and we laugh together, I always feel better.
Me too, even after a difficult day.
Especially after a difficult day.
You're right. A good friend can change your whole mood.
Absolutely. Sometimes a simple message can make me smile.
A message?
Yeah, just a simple message saying, "How are you?"
That's true. Small things matter.
They really do.
You know, the older I get, the more I believe that happiness comes from simple things.
Family, friends, good food.
And weekends. Don't forget weekends.
Of course, your favorite thing in the world.
Exactly. I knew you understood me.
Unfortunately, yes. Dave, do you think children are happier than adults?
Wow. That's an interesting question.
I know. I've been thinking about it lately.
Honestly, sometimes I think they are.
Really? Why?
Because children don't worry as much. When I was young, I wasn't thinking about work, money, bills, or responsibilities.
That's true.
I was thinking about cartoons, ice cream, and playing with my friends.
Life was much simpler.
Very simple.
What's one happy childhood memory you still remember?
Oh, I have many, but one memory always comes back.
Tell me.
Every weekend, my family would visit my grandparents.
That sounds nice.
I loved those weekends. My grandmother always made my favorite food. My grandfather told funny stories, and all my cousins played together.
That sounds wonderful.
It really was. At the time, I thought it was normal.
And now?
Now I realize how special it was.
I understand. Sometimes we don't appreciate things until they are gone.
Exactly. What about you? What's a happy childhood memory for you?
Mine is very simple.
The best memories usually are.
Every evening, my family sat together for dinner.
Every evening?
Almost every evening. We talked about school, work, friends, everything.
I like that.
Nobody was looking at their phone.
That's rare these days.
Very rare.
Do you miss those days?
Sometimes. Life feels much busier now.
I agree. People are always in a hurry.
Maybe that's why happiness feels harder to find.
That's a good point.
So, what do you think? Can people be happy without money?
That's a difficult question.
I know.
I think money is important.
Really?
Yeah, money helps us live comfortably. It reduces stress.
That makes sense.
But I don't think money creates happiness by itself.
I agree with that.
I've met people with a lot of money, and they weren't happy.
Me too.
And I've met people with very little money, but they smiled all the time.
That's true.
So maybe money helps, but it isn't the answer.
I like that idea.
What do you think makes life meaningful?
For me, relationships.
Family and friends?
Exactly. I think life feels better when you have people to share it with.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
For me, it's growth.
Growth?
Yeah, learning something new, becoming a better person, improving little by little.
That's interesting.
I don't need to be perfect. I just want to be a little better than yesterday.
I like that.
Thank you.
You know, one thing makes me happy every time.
What is it?
Helping someone.
Really?
Yeah, even something small. Giving advice, helping a friend, listening to someone.
I feel the same way.
It's a strange feeling
Why?
because you're helping someone else, but somehow you feel happier too.
That's true. Everybody wins.
Exactly.
Can I tell you something funny?
Of course.
When I was a child, I thought adults were always happy.
Really?
Yes, I thought adults had all the answers.
And now?
Now I'm an adult, and I have no idea what's happening.
That's funny.
Seriously. Sometimes I'm just guessing.
I think most adults are.
That's actually comforting.
You're not alone.
Good. That makes me happy.
See? We're back to happiness again.
Everything comes back to happiness.
Maybe that's because everyone is searching for it.
Maybe. Or maybe it's been with us all along.
Wow, that's a nice thought.
Thank you. I have one good thought every year.
Only one?
Maybe two if I'm lucky.
I'll write this one down. You know, Dave, after talking about all of this, I think happiness is different for everyone.
I agree. What makes me happy might not make someone else happy.
Exactly. And I think that's okay.
Definitely. Sometimes people spend too much time comparing themselves to others.
That's true. They see someone else's life and think, I want that.
I've done that before.
Me too.
But every time I compare myself to other people, I feel less happy
Why do you think that happens?
because I'm focusing on what I don't have instead of appreciating what I already have.
That makes sense. Gratitude is important.
Very important. Sometimes I forget that.
We all do.
You know, one thing I've learned over the years is this.
What's that?
Happiness is usually hiding in ordinary moments.
I like that.
A meal with family, a conversation with a friend, a quiet evening at home. Those moments seem small, but they're actually very special.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. I practiced that speech all week.
Really?
No, I just got lucky.
I was about to say, that sounded very wise.
Please enjoy it. It might never happen again.
I'll remember this moment forever.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
See? Another happy moment.
Exactly. What about you? What's the biggest lesson you've learned about happiness?
I think happiness grows when we slow down.
That's interesting.
Life moves very fast. Work, messages, phones, schedules, everything feels busy.
That's true.
But when I slow down, I notice more good things.
Like what?
A nice conversation, a beautiful sunset, good food, a kind message from a friend.
Those little things matter.
They really do.
You know, when I was younger, I thought happiness was waiting somewhere in the future.
Really?
Yeah, I kept thinking, I'll be happy when this happens, or I'll be happy when I get that.
A lot of people think that way.
Including me. But now I think happiness is often here already.
We just don't notice it.
Exactly.
I love that idea.
Me too. And honestly, talking about this has made me feel happier.
Same here.
Maybe happiness likes good conversations.
And good friends.
and good food.
Of course, you had to mention food.
It's important.
I knew you were going to say that.
You know me very well.
Unfortunately, yes. Before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
What makes you happy?
Maybe it's your family. Maybe it's your friends. Maybe it's your weekend. Maybe it's something simple.
Whatever it is, we hope you have more of it in your life.
Absolutely. And don't forget to enjoy the small moments.
Sometimes the smallest moments become the best memories.
That's true.
Well, Dave, this was a lovely conversation.
It really was. And now, I'm thinking about ice cream again.
Of course you are.
Some things never change. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.